SUI might lose 6% by June 9, according to Gov Capital Collector. Before anything else, let's check the chart conditions. SUI has moved higher by 0.1% since yesterday and trades close to $0.7502. Time to see what experts are expecting. Gov Capital Collector expects the price to fall towards $0.7053 by June 9, marking a loss of 6%. CoinDataFlow expects SUI could move down towards $0.7411, roughly 1.2% lower. CoinCodex points out it could test the $0.7526 level, an upward move of 0.3%. Another forecast released by CoinPrice Forecast notes SUI could be on track for $0.76, a gain estimated at 1.3%. To conclude, 30 rates puts the target at $0.8015 by tomorrow, a gain of 6.9%. It's the most rewarding forecast in the list. That's the full picture for tomorrow. Time to see what else is ahead. The predictions are in. Here's how each might perform. After reviewing the forecast spread in full, the price range is estimated between a drop of 6% and a rise of 6.9%, depending on the analyst. The final takeaway is that 30 rates expects the top return with 6.9% jump in value by tomorrow. All in all, you could earn between $3 and $69 for every $1,000 you invest. Taking volatility trends into account, CoinCodex's forecast ranks first, with a 96.7% chance of success. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I've formed a consensus picture. The consolidated forecast suggests SUI is near $0.7521. So, here's the breakdown. Consensus numbers show a 0.3% rise by tomorrow. That outcome means your capital could also register growth of 0.3%. If you had $1,000 invested, the scenario could point to $3 in return. So in summary, the probability attached to the consensus outlook for SUI stands close to 96.7%. Let's turn now to how analysts describe the near-term path over the 3 days. Gov Capital Collector indicates that prices could dip further. Similarly, CoinDataFlow suggests SUI could slide further. Also, CoinCodex expects the price to slump further. CoinPrice Forecast expects SUI to rise over the next few days. 30 rates points to a sideways outlook where SUI drifts without meaningful progress. The consensus stance points to SUI following a downward course over the next 3 days. Bringing these perspectives together, 60% of analysts foresee SUI moving downward. 5 forecasts appeared 2 days back. Today we look at them in detail. In the end, the closing candle marked $0.7586. The result showed that only a small group had the right forecast about the direction. The forecast with the smallest deviation was from CoinPrice Forecast. Time to set things straight. Not one prediction was captured inside the daily range. In terms of ROI, some forecasts were positive, and CoinPrice Forecast delivered the best performance at 9.9%. And now, the overall results are on screen. Everything in one view. When comparing the figures, Gov Capital Collector displayed minus 9.9% ROI and $0.072 accuracy. See if your favorite analyst managed to stay closest to the move. Here's a side-by-side comparison of tomorrow's forecasted performance between SUI and other cryptocurrencies. SUI falls behind with KuCoin token leading the table at 2.6%. Currently, SUI is compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full list with many more is already on my website. Subscribe so you can follow how these forecasts play out. Stay well and see you tomorrow.